Hey beauties, it's your girl Clairmoy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna jump right into it because look at this hairstyle, y'all. And I want to show you how to do this because I've been seeing how these hairstylists have been treating y'all. So I think it's time to take your power back. And we're gonna jump right into this. Let's go. With only one pack of hair left from, of course, Ywigs. This is their 20-inch crochet hair in natural color deep wave. I got 5 bundles from them and now I am on my last bundle with 2 rows left. Normally, I use this hair to crochet, but today I'm going to use it to kind of do boho braids. And it looks so good. I don't think I could ever go back to using the loose hair. This is genius to use it to braid with. So I'm gonna take 2 pieces. That's all we're gonna use is 2 pieces for each braid. Like so. So first things first, you're gonna wanna separate your hair. I like to use just a regular tail comb. The one I'm using is just a purple tail comb with this extra little piece right here, which makes it really, really easy to part your hair, as well as like retwist locks. I also use this to retwist Christina's locks. And then I'm going to make one single braid. Hook the thread around the crochet needle, close the crochet needle, and then you're gonna pull 1/2 through the braid. And then you're gonna have 3 pieces, and then you're just gonna braid down like you normally would. But then you're gonna take another piece of hair and you're gonna go in and just attach that and just braid that in, but then pull out 1 piece of hair as well. And now you have 3 pieces of the same size, and then you're gonna just braid that down, make probably till your hair ends. My hair is shorter, depending on how long your hair is. Whenever you want to, you can then start to twist it, yeah, and then leave how much hair you want loose. And this is how you're gonna get that full look, yeah. In the back, because I have 5 packs, in the back I wasn't putting as many loose pieces because I didn't want to run out of hair, and it was my first time with this hair. But as I got to the front, the entire front, I have some pieces in. I also wanted to wet the hair just to show you what it looks like when you add a little bit of moisture to it. I mean, it just pretty much makes the curls pop even more. I'm gonna take 2 pieces, push it through, hook it, close it, pull it through, and then we're going to braid it. I'm gonna go in with another piece of hair, put that in there, and continue to braid. Grab that out. All right, it is the next day. The hair is done. Literally no tension. You can do whatever you want to do with it. No tension at all. Look at that. What? Moisturize my scalp. That is very important. I ran out of this stuff and I barely have any of this. Let's see if I have any left. Okay. because child, I need to moisturize. I don't want to put too much because I don't want any of it to get on the hair. Okay. Now let's cut some, see where we need to cut. Nice middle part. Booyah. Oof. That's beautiful. I don't want to mess it up. Oopsie. So now let's do our edges. I am focusing on loving my arms. Like stretch marks, oh, it bothers me. But these are my arms. They function well. They do everything that needs to get done. They did my hair, they did my makeup, and I'm gonna be damned if I don't love them. So yeah, and I'm gonna love them into better shape. You know what I'm saying? While I'm on this weight loss journey that I've been on forever, I'm gonna love these arms. Period. All right, so I like to go in with, I just started this by the way, not I like to, but recently I like to go in with a little bit of mousse because I feel like it just kind of, because I don't want it to look too hard. I want it to look really, really natural. I still go in with, what's it called? Edge control, but I like to start with mousse first because that just lays it so beautifully without looking too harsh. And now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Beast Edge Control. And not too much because you want it to look fluffy, natural. Okay, that's enough. I don't know why my beauty supply store isn't selling these anymore. I want to buy a new one. They're selling like really, really small ones, but I like this one. But they haven't had it there in forever, and I don't know why. Alrighty. Look at that. Look at the layers. Oh yeah. This is kind of long. Should I cut it? Absolutely. I doubt that I will be able to use any other hair to braid my hair, okay? This is the only hair I am using to braid my hair. What? Absolutely in love. Absolutely in love.
Nothing could have made me believe. No one could have convinced me. Had to use my own 2 eyes to see. Niggas always make you think you going crazy.